back with a video. Ghost bun in the building, ghost bun glue. Alright you guys, so if you haven't already checked out my video Passion Pink, I will put the link in the description bar below. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this baby on. So you guys, I'm gonna be going back and forth in the camera, out the camera, in the camera, out the camera, because I needed to see I'm not actually facing a mirror in the front of me. So I'm doing this and showing you guys step by step. So I'm just going to take the ghost bun glue and put that on one side and let that dry. I'm taking Passion Pink and we're going to start to glue her down on each side. And I'm going to do this one side at a time instead of just doing it completely around. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. So yeah, I have one side glued down, and if you have a low hairline like me, which means that your brows is connecting with your hairs, with your baby hairs, girl, you're gonna have to fix that. But don't worry, you see that white lace, we gonna fix her, honey. Don't worry, just keep watching. Okay you guys, you're gonna take something that has a flat base, whether it's a popsicle stick or tweezers, whatever have a flat base, and you're gonna spread that glue down like you putting butter on pancakes, honey. You're gonna put that butter on them pancakes and you're gonna smooth that out, honey, and then you're gonna let that dry just a little bit until it's clear. But honey, I was in a rush because I had a photo shoot to do that day, so you gonna see me put it on here white. But please don't do that if you're not a graduate, you still in high school and you haven't graduated to college. Do not put that lace on that white glue, honey, because it's gonna turn gray. Okay you guys, now that we have her all glued down, the excess lace, we're gonna go ahead and cut that off. Then we're gonna wrap her down and let her sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that she can be scalp melted, okay? If you ain't following me on social media, follow me on Snapchat, shesoprettie, Instagram, mesmerize_beauty, and I'll just let you guys keep watching me, honey. Oh, ma'am, can we get a drum roll, please? Because look at, oh, honey, the baby hairs is laid. That scalp has been completely meshed into that lace front, honey. Look at her. She is just, oh. Thank you guys so much for watching part 2 of this video. Make sure you thumbs this video up, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, honey, because you don't want to miss out. I show you everything I know, honey. If you ain't following me on social media, once again, follow me. Everything will be in the description bar below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video.